In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay GCash in Foodpanda. First, make sure you have both the Foodpanda app and your GCash app installed and updated, and that you're connected to a stable internet connection. This helps the payment handoff go smoothly. When you're ready, open the Foodpanda app, browse restaurants, pick the items you want, and add them to your cart. Take a moment to review portion sizes, add-ons, and any special instructions, so your order is exactly how you want it. When you're done selecting your order, proceed to the checkout screen. Here, Foodpanda will show you a summary with your items, delivery fees, and your delivery address. This is also where you'll see the payment section. Tap the area that lets you review your address and payment method, then choose the option that says Select Payment Method. It's a good idea to double-check your address and any delivery notes at this stage, so the rider can find you easily and you won't need to make changes later. In the payment options, select GCash. As soon as you choose GCash, Foodpanda will redirect you to the GCash payment page. This is a secure handoff between the apps. Wait for the page to load completely, and you should see the total amount due along with the merchant details. Follow the on-screen prompts in GCash to authorize the payment. Keep your phone unlocked and avoid tapping the back button while this is happening, as it can interrupt the process. Once your GCash payment is confirmed, you'll be redirected back to Foodpanda automatically. You should see an order confirmation screen, and your tracking will be activated so you can monitor preparation and delivery in real time. If you don't see the confirmation right away, give it a few moments to refresh and check that you're still connected to the internet. A few quick tips to make this seamless. Ensure you have enough balance in GCash before you start your order, and keep notifications enabled for both apps so you don't miss payment or order updates. If you're ordering from a new location, verify your pinned map location to prevent delivery delays. Also, review any vouchers or promos in Foodpanda before selecting your payment, as some discounts may apply automatically at checkout. That's it. Open Foodpanda, place your order, review your address and payment details, select GCash, authorize the payment when redirected, and you're done. With these simple steps and a quick check of the details, paying with GCash in Foodpanda is fast, secure, and hassle-free.